It's a good day on the northwestern lady. But surprisingly, there was no snow. Arr, said Salty. She came into Campus Station. Have you been listening to Pirate Talk again? Said Tony. Arr, maybe me hearty. Well, that's what happens when you work at a docks. I figured. I'm surprised there's no snow. Do you hate snow, Marty? Not really. But it can be troublesome. That's true. Just then, the fat controller showed up, and he fell down on the job. Next day. But seriously, the fat controller showed up, and he fell again. Arg! It's coming me after. You're telling me, said Tony. The fat controller can't stand still. Oh, maybe because it's ice. Ice, ice, ice. That's better. Good afternoon, engines. I got news. You brought the bacon? Laughed Tony. Very funny. Very funny. Anyway, Tony, I was looking at your records, and it indicates to me that you need an overhaul. Stuffy here will be taking over your work when you go in for your overhaul. Oh, that's a well then, sir, thank you. Of course. Now, who are we saying that was holding down on their job? I'm not saying them. You were falling down because of dice, sir. Oh! I didn't realize the back one was icy. Did someone not put salt? They probably forgot. Right, so I de-icing the platform. Bye. On the back of the auto. Hardy. It'll be a great job to help you out. Thanks, Salty. You're a good buddy. I suppose you know how to run the branch? I worked on the young branch back when I worked at Southampton Docks. Do you know the branch? Do I know the branch? I'm sure Mark brought it up a few times. But that wasn't his branch, right? That he had in Australia? Nah. One of his young brothers had it. Oh! You mean Sean? The oldest before Mark. Yeah, that was his branch. I suppose you know about it. Oh. Oh, hold on to me, Archie. There's also an easy way to connect to ships. Did your dogs have a ship? A little dancing, Archie? Not that I recall. But anyway, I overheard you and Buckle the other day. Ow! You heard me. You heard me, Archie. You just being drunk and silly. You're funny seen her salty. Ah, somebody's got to be. Well, I suppose. Good point. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Arr.